Right, afternoon ladies. Now, I've just got some bits and pieces here. I want to try something out. So, I think I'm going to choose a darker one rather than that one. But we do sell this in the shop. I've got some organza ribbon in the 38mm and the 25. Oopsie daisy. Now, let me just see. And then I've got some ribbon. I think I'm going to use it for an edging. I'm not sure at the moment. And I've got some flower and trim things to play around with. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I've got a couple of coasters. So I'm going to show you how to turn them into a pin cushion. Now, let me make sure that we're actually seeing what I'm doing. So I've got some crushed velvet, it's like a velour, in red, and some of the wadding. I'm just going to cut a piece off. That probably will do both of them actually, although I'm going to do a double layer. Yeah, I think we'll do a double layer. So I've got the glue gun on. I just need to do a dab of glue in the corners. It's just to keep it on. Do this like that. That'll do. I'm okay with that. Because if you sew or you do anything like that, you need pin cushions, and I like making them. Put some glue in, and I'm only going to put that on the corners like that. Nice padded one so that the pin stick in it. This will be for sale when it's finished. People like to buy it. But if you want a kit, I can do you a kit as well. Now I'm going to take this red. And I'm just going to cut a piece off because I don't like working with big pieces. It's silly. We do sell the fabrics. If there's none in the shop, if it's sold out, let me know. I mean, there's over 1,000 products in the shop, so I don't always check everything. It takes too long. I need at least a good inch all the way around, and a piece for the back, so I'm just going to cut that straight up like that. Spin that around. Like I say, just need a piece for the top, for the back. We can trim any off that we don't need, and that will definitely fit on the back like that. Okay, so double layered wadding. Like I say, I can make kits up for you if you want. Press that down, and then we're just gonna, oops, get rid of that bit. Pull that across, and I'm doing a double layer like that. Now remember, this velour does stretch like that. Just pull it across, stretch it as far as you can, nice and tight. That's lovely. Again, pulling it across, pulling that flap out like that. Because I'm going to cover the back, it really doesn't matter. I only want that covering the edge like that. I am pulling it slightly, so it's like leaning over both sides. Like that. And like I say, I'm going to take that over the edge. Like that. I'm going to snip that. And you see how it's... And then what we do is we put a little bit, just a skimming of glue. And pull that in. I'm not bothered about that bit there because I'm going to put something in that corner. It's just something really quick you can make for your table. Nice padded cushion, you see. Like I say, we do have all of this in the shop. I've got some new laces coming in shortly, ladies. I will go through them with you because they are fabulous. Right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the the 25mm ribbon, and I'm just going to try something. Just a little pin cushion. I'm not going to put that on, I don't think. I could do that. I do that. That's it. That's all I'm going to do. I don't need to do anything else. I'm happy with that. Yeah. Quite happy with it. That's it. Quite happy with that. Really quick and easy pin cushion. I'm going to do a couple more and add them to the shop because they're always handy to have on your desk. And I'll put in half a dozen pins. There you go. Quick as that. I'm going to pull that over. Sorry, we've got the guys picking up a couple of chairs and the dogs are barking. I just had to run down and tell Raymond they were here because he was in the garden. Like that. Put that to one side, you never know, it might make a flower or something. Right, this time I'm not going to do it the way I did before. I'm just going to press that down like that. And then do that to both ends. And that one. And then we're going to fold that in just like that. Like that. Put some glue there, cross there like that, and then I'm just going to press that over like that. Goes there. That goes there. Flatten it down so your glue's not too tight. Too tight, I don't mean too tight. Bulky, that's what I meant. Right, and like I say, all I need then is a piece to go over the back. Now, I'm not happy with this bit here. It's a bit bulky, so I'm going to put a little bit of glue underneath and flatten that right down. So that's better. Better than what it was. So like I say, yeah, I'm not going to need much. All I'm going to do is to go around the edge. I can seal it in more if I want to. And just stretch that out to go across like that. That's just fluff. And then what I do is go back over it, go to the edge, press that down, do the same with this one. Might not need it, but it's always handy to put it as near the edge as you can. And then this one. And this one. Okie dokie. And then all I do is to trim that off. It is only a, I'm going to cut the corner off like that, a pin cushion. But, you know, you might want to, when you get to this stage, use it as something else. Like I say, that's good enough for me. That's okay. Right, so now we're going to go back to doing the flower. So I'm going to use these gathered ones first. Like that. Overlap them. Like that, so they're nice and it looks pretty, doesn't it? Yeah, I don't think I need that spare one. No, I'm just going to put that there. We don't need the spare one. And then this one I'm going to flatten in the middle. And you just do that, and then you press that down like that. Because you can also use the centre of this one to put pins in. See, like that? So I'm going to choose, that's the smooth side. Pop the flower on there like that. Yep. Just going to use these pins for now. Oh, I didn't put an edge on this one, but I will do. Should I take that off? I'm going to take that off just for now. I need to put an edge on. Now we're going to put the flower back on, and I'm not worried about these edges at the moment because they're mostly glued down now. So put the flower back on in the place you had it, like that. Just do that, that'll be fine. So that's that one. That one we put lace on, like that. See, like that. Yeah, that's fine. Joey, lay down. Because Mummy can hear you, you know. Thinks I can't hear him. So, and it sits on the corner there. Like that. It's just for decoration, nothing else. But it matches. And then I need to get the pins. I need to get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. No, not that one. 6. There we go. Now the flowers I made this morning, they're on the shop, or they should be on the shop in a minute. Ow, shortly, if I've not already put them up. I can't remember if I've put them up yet. But look, you can also make that the pin cushion as well as that one. Okay. So you have a double one, and I like that idea, and that's sitting on the desk somewhere. I could put it on some legs or something like that, but I think that's fine. So they're the 2 pin cushions, and I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.